Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing great while you're watching my video. So today I'm going to share with you Oreos cookies filled with hazelnut cream. Very easy to do. I'm going to share with you everything how to do it, and I hope you like this video. So I have here 430 grams of plain flour, 70 grams of cocoa powder. I have 250 grams of cold butter and 160 grams of brown sugar, 160 grams of white sugar, and I have here 200 grams of white chocolate, or I use this white chocolate with caramelized biscuit. I cut to small pieces, and I have here 200 grams of milk chocolate with Oreos as well. So I'm using the the Aldi brand, so because if you're boycotting like me, so that's a great place to go. So I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and I'm using this 50 grams of cookies or Oreos, like similar to Oreos, 2 eggs and 1 egg yolk. And here I have the hazelnut cream that I got from the Arab shop. So this hazel cream is very delicious. I think it's Algerian, and I got it from the Arab shop. So I'm just gonna take a teaspoon of every like a teaspoon, and just put it here like in grease-proof paper, and I'm gonna freeze it so it will be easy for me to put inside the cookies. So I'm mixing here the dry ingredients together, the flour and the cocoa powder and the 2 teaspoons of baking powder, so it will be easy to mix after that. And I also mix the 2 eggs and the egg yolk together as well, and a pinch of salt as well. I forgot to say that. So I mix the eggs here just a little bit, and then in the stand mixer I'm gonna put the cold butter and the sugars, the brown sugar and the white sugar, and then just mix it a little bit. And then I'm gonna add my chocolates, the white chocolate and the milk chocolate and the crushed Oreos. So it's not the real Oreo, it's just the Aldi brand, which tastes so similar. So there we go, as you can see, all mixing together. I'm gonna leave you the ingredients on the description box. So now I'm gonna add all the dry ingredients all in one go, and then mix it again. And then when you're gonna add the eggs, it's gonna make it all mixed properly. So the last step is the eggs. Just a little bit, as you can see, and it's all mixing. So now I'm gonna take my frozen cream, and I have the box now where I'm gonna put it in the freezer. So just take an amount that you want, and just, you know, in your hand try to make it to a ball, and then make a hole in the middle, and just put the cream, the hazelnut cream, and keep turning it around to make a ball, and then just add a little bit of crushed Oreos, and then put it in the box to freeze. If you want to cook it, it's 190 degrees and 16 minutes. But what I do, I just put them in the freezer. Whenever I need, I just take how many my children want or how much I want, and then just leave it in the freezer. Whenever you want to cook it, you just take a few, whatever you want to do. And there you have it. You can see the hazelnut cream melted inside, and it's soft inside but crunchy outside. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.